Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Blended Librarian at Goa. In my previous video, I explained how to use Google Scholar effectively for conducting literature review. In that, we have seen how to search relevant literature, how to refine results, and how to save your useful papers. Now, once your literature review is done, the next very important step is reference management. At this stage, researchers usually ask two common questions. How do I export my search result from Google Scholar to Reference Manager? Or if I already have a Google Scholar library, how can I export that entire library into a Reference Manager? This is exactly what I am going to explain in today's video. In this video, I will show you step by step how to export a single reference from Google Scholar to Mendeley Reference Manager and how to export multiple references from your complete Google Scholar library into Mendeley Reference Manager. Now let us begin with Google Scholar. Here I will perform a simple search online learning in higher education. Once the search result appears, you can see a list of research articles. Below each article, you can see a quotation mark. This is a cite option provided by Google Scholar. Before exporting any reference, it is always important to check the title, check the author names and publication. This helps us avoid importing incorrect or duplicate reference into Mendeley. Now I will show you the first method, which is exporting the single reference from Google Scholar using BibTeX format. I will click on the cite icon below the selected article. A small citation window opens. In this video, you will see different citation formats. I will click on the BibTeX. Now you can see BibTeX record displayed on the screen. This format is widely used in academic writing and is fully supported by Mendeley. Now I will copy this record. Then go to desktop and open a new text document. In this document, paste the copied metadata. I will now save this file as a bib file on my computer. File, save as. See, this is your bib file. Once the BibTeX file is saved, I will open the Mendeley Reference Manager. In Mendeley Reference Manager, I will click on Add References, then Import Library. In that you will get option BibTeX, EndNote or RIS. We will click on BibTeX. Then select the file you have saved on the desktop. Click on the file, click Open. You can see the file is being downloaded. See, you can see the reference is now successfully added to my Mendeley library. This method is best when you want to add one or two selected references manually and accurately. Now let us move to second method, exporting multiple references or the complete Google Scholar library. On the Google Scholar homepage, I will click on My Library. Here you can see all the references that I have saved while doing my literature search. You can also organize these references using labels or folders. Google Scholar Library allows us to export the references in bulk. Now I will demonstrate how to export multiple references at once. In your library, you can see the option Export All. Click on that. you will get different options like BibTeX, EndNote, RefMan, CSV. We will click on BibTeX. New window will open with all the references in the BibTeX format. What you have to do is select all the references, copy these references, that is the metadata, and go to the document, earlier BibTeX document or the BibTeX file. Go to File, New tab, and paste your metadata here. Same way like earlier, go to File, Save As, and the file extension should be .bib. demo2.bib. We will save this. See, this is our file. After saving the file on the desktop, we will go to the reference manager. So this is our reference manager. Again, go to add references, go to import library, BibTeX. This is our file demo2.bib, open. You can see 4 references are added to the library. In this way, you can add all the references from your Google Scholar library in bulk to the reference manager, that is Mendeley Reference Manager. After importing references, especially in bulk, it is very important to verify the details. So I will click on the file to open the document. Here you can see the title, author, year, abstract is missing, then file. If you have PDF file, you can add here. And if you want to make any correction in the metadata, you can make corrections in this window. PDF files are not automatically attached when using BibTeX, so you may need to add PDF manually. To conclude, exporting references from Google Scholar to Mendeley using a BibTeX format is a reliable and efficient method. Whether you want to add a single reference or entire Google Scholar library, these steps will help you manage references accurately and save valuable research time. If you found this video useful, please like the video, subscribe to Blended Librarian at Goa if not done earlier, and share it with your fellow researchers. Thank you for watching and happy researching. Dev bare karu.